Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a turkey half in the air fryer. This is a 12-pound fresh turkey that I bought yesterday. I cut it in half last night. This was, I think, $1.49 a pound, so it was $18 for that turkey. Now I wasn't sure if it would fit in my air fryer, but it does. I cooked the other half in there last night and it turned out pretty good. So what I'm going to do here is just season it up a little bit with some kosher salt. Okay, and some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. You can use different seasonings if you want, or you don't have to season it at all, or just use salt, or just whatever you like. Alright, flip it over and do the skin side there. I think I'm going to cut this wing tip off. The one I cooked last night, it just burned, so I have a pair of pruning shears. Let's see how that works. Gonna get a knife to cut through the rest of the skin there, or kitchen shears. There we go. This is an 8-quart air fryer, but that 12-pound turkey half fits in there. I wasn't sure if it would when I bought the turkey, but it does. So I'm gonna stick an oven meat thermometer in the breast there to kind of help me keep an eye on the temperature. Turkey temperature should be about 165 degrees Fahrenheit when it's done. I also have this quick read thermometer so I can use to kind of check the thigh area to make sure that's done as well. So we'll get that into the air fryer now. Alright, I'm using the air fry setting at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. An hour is the longest you can set the timer, so I'll get that started. And I'm also going to use a timer on my phone so I can keep track of how long it takes to cook. I'm just going to keep an eye on it until the internal temperature of the turkey is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been an hour and 14 minutes, so I just opened this up. That thermometer says 170 degrees Fahrenheit, so let's check it with this one. 191 there. 156 right there. 175 right there. I think that's probably pretty good. I don't want to dry the breast out too much because it seemed like it cooked a little faster than dark meat, but I think that'll be okay. This has been resting for about a half hour or so. Looks real nice. Skin looks crispy, has nice color. Let's cut into it and see what it looks like here. Wow, looks pretty juicy. Actually, for chicken, or I say chicken, turkey breast, that actually looks pretty juicy. That's not bad. Let's cut this into this leg and see how this looks. All right. Well, that looks pretty good as well. Yeah, that looks really juicy as well. If you like dark meat, that's some pretty juicy dark meat there. Breast meat looks juicy. Alright. I think that turned out pretty good. Let's try a bite. It's not bad. Tastes like turkey. Actually, the skin came out really good. I tried a piece of the skin. The skin came out nice and crispy, so skin turned out really good. But actually the meat's pretty juicy as well. Let's see what Annie thinks here. Want to try a piece, Annie? There you go. I guess it's Annie approved. She's looking for more. So that cooked in an hour and 14 minutes. Not bad for a 12-pound turkey half. Well, it'll be a 6-pound half, the half. And this is the knife I used to cut the turkey in half. It's just a utility knife. And I didn't cut directly down the center of the spine. I cut off to one side. That way I'm just cutting through the rib bones and it's easier to cut. So one side's actually a little bit bigger than the other. I cooked the bigger side last night just to see how it worked. I figured I wouldn't make a video if it didn't turn out, but that turned out good, so did this one the same way. So anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.